Good afternoon.
And the topic of service is energy. So we are observing, and I'm sure it's the word that we're all familiar with. I believe so. Yes, sir. Alright, can somebody tell me anything you understand by the word energy? What can you relate it to? What do you understand by energy? Yes, please. Energy is ability to work. The ability to do work. That's very important. Alright, energy is the ability to do work. Anything you see that is working, if the door is moving, rolling, can we not hear this? Yes, sir. If the fan is rolling, this marker can write because I am applying work, although it has ink, but it can't function on its own. So there's a need for an application of energy for this marker to use to write. Now there's no light for it. You see the fan is not moving. Yes. So there's a required measure of energy that needs to be fused into for it to roll. Do you understand now? Yes, sir. So in other words, energy is the ability or the application of work, the application of power to make something work. Do you understand that? So we have four main types of energy. One of which is light energy. Are we together now? Yes, sir. Light energy, we also have heat energy. We have sound energy and electrical energy. Now, while I want us to understand that all these types of energy work intertwined. Now, we'll explain. You have your light function, the light now. There needs to be an outsource energy from somewhere, right? Maybe your generator or something. So your generator needs to be functioning as a result of the moving engine on the inside, all right? So the bulb is functioning by electricity, but if the engine is not working, if the engine is working and there is no inserted wire to make this light on, both the energy, the gen and the light are both standing differently and not bringing any result. Do you understand what I'm saying? The generator is not bringing any result if the bulb is not connected to it. The bulb is not bringing any result if the gen is not on. Do you understand? Now you also know that there's something called wind vane. Have you heard of it before?
Yes, sir.
Wind vane. There's this giant pillar that has rolling on it. So it is a device used in generating energy from the wind. Do you understand? So if energy is gotten, let me put you an explanation on how that is done. When the fan, as well, is rolling, it produces a kind of energy. Who knows what we call alternator in a car? Materials and explain their energy sources. Can we do that? Yes, sir. All right. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next class. Thank you, sir.
Suggestions. Energy.
When someone talks about being able to, what you understand like the word energy, can anybody
explain to me what energy is. So you don't understand it. Yes, please.
Energy is the ability to do work.
Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is the ability to do work. Furthermore, I would like to shed more light on the meaning of energy. Energy is the ability to do work or automatically. Are we together? So no work can be done outside the involvement of energy. So energy is the ability to do work or cause a change. Without energy, no work can be done. And for us to understand the application of energy, we need to first know the types of energy we have. We have 4 main types of energy, which includes light energy, light energy is the form of energy that enables us to see objects. So light energy, amongst the 4 types of energy we have the light energy, we have the sound energy, we have the heat energy and the electrical energy. But we observe 2 majorly from this class. And light energy light energy is the form of energy that enables us to see objects clearly. It comes from sources such as the sun, bulb, or fire. Now remember that the emphasis I'm making as regarding this light energy is that it gives us the ability to see objects clearly. So the sun makes you see objects clearly, the bulb makes you see objects clearly, and the fire also makes you see objects clearly. I'm saying now. So this kind of energy is derived many times from the sun, alright, from electricity. I was going to now.
Yeah.
Now, quickly, I will want us to see certain objects that communicate such kind of energy. Number 1 is the sunlight. The sunlight produces light energy that enables man to see objects clearly. And we also have electric bulb. And thirdly, we also have the torchlight. The torchlight. The reason why you could see clearly whenever you switch on your torchlight is because it emits light radiation. Alright? So that is that's about light energy. Can somebody give me other objects that you know that draws that communicates light energy? Other objects you know apart from the sunlight, yes, is balls. Okay. Yeah. And what else presented? Any other person? What other objects do you know that communicate light apart from bulbs, apart from the sun? Yes, thank you. Exactly. Fireflies. Exactly, thank you. So now we move to electrical energy. Electrical energy. Now this is the kind of energy obtained. Okay, it's used electrical appliances. This is the kind of energy that is gotten from electrical appliances. For example, you have a generator, alright? So, your generator, when functioning, produces a kind of energy called electrical. Are we together now?
Yes.
So, the benefits you get from such appliances like generator is that it helps you power other appliances in the house, like the bulb, the fan, and like I said earlier, energy is the ability to do work. And in our previous class, I made an example that this fan has an ability, but the ability will not be known until there's an external force applied on it, which is, in this case, electricity. Do you understand? So when there is electricity, you begin to see other ability that the fan has. The fan is constant. It's constantly standing still at the moment until an external force acts upon it, then it begins to move. another example of that kind of energy is the valve. Who knows a ship here? Have you ever wondered how a ship moves? I'm not talking about a boat that needs paddle. I'm talking about a ship. A ship does not move because it has an engine. A ship moves because it has something called the valve. The valve is at the deepest part of the sea level, beneath the sea. It's like a rolling fan. Now, this fan will not roll except there's an involvement of the engine. However, the engine will not produce a good result to move the ship except it powers the valve. Do you get that now? So the engine has power, but it needs to act on something before there needs to be a result. And the result we're expecting here is that the ship moves on the sea. Do you understand? Yes. Alright. And under this electrical energy, we also have, I mentioned the fan, we also have television and refrigerator. Now there is a result that refrigerator gives to us, that is the cool effect. That cold effect we get from the refrigerator will not be gotten if there is no external force for the electricity. The television, when we look at it, it's always black. But the moment an external force, in this context now, electricity, the moment it acts upon it, then you begin to see certain abilities that the television has. It can display. You can use it to watch all kinds of channels, and you can use it to play games, each one. So all these abilities are locked up in its reliance on an external energy, which is an electrical energy. Are we together now? Yes. So in our next class, I will be showing us certain two other kind of energy, which is the sound energy and the sound energy and the heat energy. Alright? So, does anyone have a question? Okay, yes, please.
Yes, so you mentioned the valve of the ship.
Yes.
Can you tell the valve about?
VALVE. Okay. Alright, any other question? Alright, without any further question, I will be giving us an assignment and I want us to very much observe it as it will enhance our knowledge about the subject matter we are discussing at the moment. So, these three kinds of appliances and the type of energy they use. Alright, see you guys see you all in the next class. Thank you.